Good morning, Lone Star Middle School students. Mr. Williamson here, hanging out in room 241. It's 7:03 in the morning. Today is college and career day. Got my college jersey on. I went to Biola when I first went to school. Played baseball, and this is an old hitting jersey, so that's why I'm wearing this today. Today, I'd like your help. I'm preparing for next year. As we wrap up this year, I'm putting together a series of videos just like this one, where I'm going to be instructing students through videos on my YouTube channel how to use Office 365, how to use OneNote, how to use all the different things that we commonly use in my class. So as you can see on the screen, I've got Office 365 pulled up, and I would direct students to come into Office 365 and click on OneNote. They would open OneNote, and then they would go into the program and start to manipulate, start to find out what was. They would click on Shared with Me. As they click on Shared with Me, and these are kids that have been using the computers last year, so you're not totally ignorant of how to use the laptops because they've been using it with Mr. Johnson or Mrs. Sprague. So I'm going to have a bunch of students who know how to do that kind of stuff already. So once they've had the opportunity to get into OneNote, I'm wanting to put together a how to succeed in Mr. Williamson's class today. So we're going to create a new page in our OneNote today inside of our weather section so that I can take a look at what you guys are able to, because the hints that you guys and the tips that you guys have for the students in the future, I think would really benefit them. So if you guys could put together a how-to list for my class, on the different topics in class, like how to collect data for weather, how to add pictures, how to add videos, screen clippings, how to add artwork within each one of the pages, like clicking on draw and then being able to draw specific shapes so they don't have to freehand draw. That's the kind of thing that we're going to be doing today in our weather section. You're going to create a how-to page inside of weather after you collect data today, and you're going to assemble as many how-tos for my class as possible. I would really appreciate that. That would affect the kids in the future, and that would make my life pretty simple next year when I start making my videos. Actually, I'm going to be making them this year, as you saw perhaps one of the examples already in there. Good luck on college and career day. I saw quite a good behavior from the majority of eighth graders yesterday in the cafeteria with the 6 businesses that were here. I really enjoyed seeing that you guys were very respectful, and that was a good job. Here come the ISATs in a couple of weeks, and I'm just excited because I've heard you guys know what you're doing, and there's a lot of rewards coming up food-wise. So this is going to be a good time.